Welcome, you fans of steam. Welcome, fans of speed. Welcome, one and all, to this year's Great Railway Show. Only here can you witness the mightiest locomotives from all over the world, competing in feats of strength, speed, and skill. Allow me to introduce you to this year's contenders. And here is the Flying Scotsman. He's called the Flying Scotsman because he runs the express passenger service between London and Edinburgh, Scotland. He also became the first locomotive to reach the speed of 100 miles per hour. He doesn't fly and he's not Scottish, but that doesn't slow this engine down. It also says here he's Gordon's brother. Well, there's a surprise. I wonder what other surprises are in store for us this year, folks. Let's hear it for the Flying